Do I have to introduce myself to the camera?
Who are you?
Who am I?
You can talk to me, you can talk to the camera,
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
No, I'll talk to
Skateboard.
I do ride a skateboard to work.
Dangerously.
Very
Yeah.
We haven't started yet, right? Oh gosh. My name's Kyle.
Hi, Kyle.
Hi, Nick. I've been in Australia for 4 years.
Yep.
I moved here through my partner.
Yep.
Was working in the yachting industry, like also a high-end attention to detail job.
Yep.
Which was pretty good, really liked that. But having a more land-based job.
Yep.
And like being with your family, your friends, and like creating a sustainable routine.
Yep.
Settled in Perth, and I remember driving past the shop one day and being like, oh, this is a nice car in there.
Yeah.
And not long after that, I saw an ad and you guys were recruiting.
Yep.
And I gave you a call. I was like, hey, I really like cars, and
yep.
I like the attention to detail. It was in my previous job. Came in and you were like, let's get going.
Yeah, sweet. Well, I guess you've got an awesome personality, very bubbly, similar to me, pretty chilled.
Yeah.
So, I mean, most days, mate, you come in super happy, positive, you don't let anything bother you, so that's awesome. What do you currently commute to and from work on?
So, I'm alternating 2 electric powered vehicles.
Yeah.
One is a electric skateboard.
Yep.
And it goes quite fast.
Which, yes.
Like probably 50 k's an hour on the road.
Scary.
Yes, I've got my helmet.
Lucky.
And the second one is an electric bike.
Okay, sweet. Yeah. And you have an Everest?
Yes, I do drive a Ford Everest.
Yeah. What has been your favourite car to work on? I know there's probably quite a lot, but if you had to pick the best, like
just one?
Oh, I'll give you 2.
Okay, 2. The Stealth Supra was.
Wow. Okay.
That was a really, just the job in itself was really nice.
Okay.
And coordinating with the customer was really nice. He was very receptive.
Yeah, sweet.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
But the car that wowed me the most recently is the purple M3 Touring.
Oh yes, Luke's car, wicked car.
Amazing,
Yeah.
just the finish, and once the film was on the car, just like brought it up so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that was those 2.
Yep.
Definitely.
And what do you enjoy the most about, I guess, your job, MADinc? Like, what? Is it rapping? Is it talking with Matthias all day, or?
Well, we've got our days. There's the days where we are head down, bum up, and we just get cracking, get the flow of the week up and running. Towards the end of the week, when we've done 90% of our work, then we start having a bit more of a chat, and that's quite good. Matthias is basically my work wife.
Yes.
So
I guess we're all work wives here. We're here a lot of the time, so it's important that everyone gets along.
Yeah. And to be honest, working here is incredible.
And I didn't pay him to say that, by the way.
No, it's seriously.
Yeah.
You really take care of us. You and Scott really take care of us as your employees, and you've put in energy where none of my previous employees have put in that commitment and energy, and just like making sure not only that our work is flowing well, but like mentally, like how are you guys doing? And
thanks, mate. That means a lot.
It really means a lot to us also.
Yeah, you guys are people at the end of the day, you know what I mean? You're not just robots, so you know, try and make the place enjoyable, because I also have to spend a lot of time here, so you know, if it's a nice place to work, then things run smoothly. So that's awesome, man. I'm glad to hear that you enjoy your job, and it's a pleasure having you a part of the team.
Thank you.
And
I'm sure I make you pull your hair out sometimes.
That's all right, mate. These things happen, and
yeah,
it's good, man. So thank you for the year.
Yes.
And
thank you for having me here.
No problems, mate. Yeah, that's Kyle. I'm sure if you guys pop into the store and whatnot, and you're having a job done here, you're gonna interact with Kyle. So super friendly dude. Ask him all the questions you want, and he'll be more than happy to help you out. So cheers.